Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to subscribe to any manhwa in Webtoon. Now let us begin. Do note that in order to do so, you guys should create a Webtoon account. I have also created a tutorial regarding that, so you guys can view that as well. Now let's simply look at how to subscribe to any Webtoon or simply manhwa. Well, as you guys can see, there are multiple options. Simply select the Webtoon of your choice. Let's say I like this one right here. I'm simply gonna click on it. Now all you guys need to do is focus on the top. At the very top right, you can see a button like this that says subscribe. Click on it, and guys, that is it. That's how you subscribe to any manhwa. The process is quite easy. And guys, from the My Series section, you can see the manhwas that you have subscribed to. Well guys, that is it. That's how you subscribe to any manhwa on Webtoon. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.